In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stonk Journal. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Stonk Journal website. The platform runs in the browser, so there's nothing to install, just make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, sign up for an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see areas for trades, portfolios, charts, and notes. From here, decide how you want your trades to appear. If your brokerage is supported, connect it to automatically import executions. This saves time and reduces typos. If it isn't supported or you prefer control, you can enter trades manually. To add a trade manually, input the ticker symbol, choose buy or sell, set the quantity, and enter the execution price. Double-check the date and time so performance lines up correctly. Accuracy here pays off later when you analyze results. Keep things tidy by organizing trades. Create portfolios to separate different accounts or goals, group by strategy names you actually use, and sort by date ranges. Consistent labels make filtering effortless and keep comparisons meaningful. Now, track your portfolio performance using the built-in charts and metrics. Watch your equity curve, total and per trade P&L, win rate, average return, and drawdowns. Use the time filters to see how a strategy behaved last week versus last quarter. Let the data tell the story. Don't skip the journal notes. Write why you entered, where you plan to exit, what risk you accepted, and what you observed during the trade. After closing, add what worked, what didn't, and what you'd change next time. Notes turn raw numbers into lessons. Make a habit of reviewing past trades. Filter by strategy or market condition, then study streaks, outliers, and common mistakes. Look for repeatable setups with positive expectancy and flag patterns you should avoid. Turn insights into clear rules for future decisions. If you need a record elsewhere, export your data for reporting or backup. Choose a convenient format, download it, and store it securely so you can reference or share results whenever needed. Finally, update your journal regularly. Log new trades promptly, reconcile any discrepancies, and keep naming consistent. A current, accurate journal is what makes the tool truly powerful. To get the most out of it, start by backfilling a small sample of historical trades to confirm your categories and metrics look right, then expand to your full history. Build a simple routine, import, review, note, and export at the end of each trading day or week. Over time, these consistent habits compound into clearer insights and better, more disciplined decisions.